Welcome to online teaching. We are continuing with the second chapter, whole numbers. In the last class we have learnt about closure property. Closure property, that is closed under addition and multiplication. Next is commutative property. Commutative property, it is closed under addition and multiplication. Addition and multiplication also. That is rule for addition I have given as, general rule for addition I have given as a plus b is equals to b plus a, and rule for multiplication I have given as a into b is equals to b into a. This is the rule for multiplication. This is the rule for addition under commutative property. In closure property, it is closed under addition and multiplication means when we add or multiply any two whole numbers, the answer or the product, the sum or the product if we are going to get is also a whole number only. Next, the third one is associative property. That is, it is also for addition and multiplication. Associative property is also for addition and multiplication. I am going to give you the general rule for addition. General rule for addition is a plus, in this we are going to take three numbers. Till now here we have taken only two numbers. Now we are going to take three numbers, that is a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. Means when we add two numbers with and the answer sum with the third number will be the answer the same as when we interchange the numbers of the addition, and we are going to get the same solution. That is rule for multiplication. Multiplication is a into b into c is equals to a into b into c. For example, I am going to enlarge it the example. First one I am taking the rule for addition, that is a plus b plus c is equals to a plus b plus c. I am taking three numbers as 2 plus 4 plus 5 is equals to. First I am going to add 4 plus 5. The bracket one I am going to add it first. I have written it in a bracket so that I can add first these two numbers, then add with the third number. That is 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 2. 9 plus 2 is 11. When I interchange the bracket from 4 plus 5 to any other number also, when I can write it for 2 plus 4 or 2 plus 5, anything, the answer will be the same. Like I am going to change this as 2 plus 4 plus 5. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus this 5. 6 plus 5 is also 11. 6 plus 5 is also 11. I can interchange the numbers. That is, I am writing the same example. 2 plus 4 plus 5. We got it as 6 plus 5 is 11. When I change it for 2 plus 5 plus 4. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 4 is also 11. The same answer. Means I can interchange the numbers and add it in any way so that I am going to get the same answer. This is your associative property for addition. One more example. When I am going to write 3 plus 8 plus 2. First I am adding 3 plus 8 because I have given the brackets here. So 3 plus 8, it is 11. 11 plus 2. 11 plus 2 is 13. When I going to interchange the numbers here and there. That is when I am going to add 3 plus 2 first, plus 8. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is also 13. This is the associative property for addition. So it means that I can add any two numbers in my way so that the answer is going to be the same. This is your associative property for addition. Next is for multiplication. Example, I am going to write the rule first. A into B into C is equals to A into B into C. The same wise as addition, we can multiply any two numbers, interchange the numbers there according to their position. The answer will be the same. Like example, I am going to write 3 into 4 into 5. See, 3 into 4 into 5. First I am going to multiply 4 into 5 because I have given the brackets here. 4 into 5 is 20. 20 into 3. 3 into 20 is 60. I am going to interchange the brackets here. I am going to write 3 into 4 into 5. 3 4s are 12. 12 5s are is also 60. When I am going to change the places as 3 into 5 into 4. 3 5s are 15. 15 4s are 60 again. If I am going to change it, 5 into 4 into 3. 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3 is the same as 60. So this is the associative property for multiplication, and this is the associative property for addition. This is the general rule for addition and this is the general rule for multiplication. Associative property is also for addition and multiplication. Closure property is also for addition and multiplication. Commutative property is also closed under addition and multiplication only. This is the general rule for commutative property for addition. This is the general rule for commutative property for multiplication. The next one is the distributive property. Distributive property. This distributive property is also over addition the rule I am giving it as, general rule I am giving it as A into B plus C. That is distributive property for multiplication over addition. Distributive property for multiplication over addition. That is when we are going to add two numbers and multiply with the third one given there is same as I am going to distribute this multiplication to both these numbers. That is along with A, I am going to multiply this number with the two numbers. That is A into B plus A into C. This is your distributive property for multiplication over addition. That is when a number is multiplied with the two numbers which are addition is there in between, I am going to distribute that. The distributive property is I can multiply the two numbers, add it and again multiply the next two numbers. For example, that is 3 into 2 in 2 plus 4. That is 2 plus 4. Actually, according to the other rules, we have to plus it. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 3 into 3 is 18. But we are doing a distributive property for multiplication over addition. I am going to distribute 3 into 2 and 4 also. That is 3 into 2 plus 4 is equals to 3 into 2 plus 3 into 4. That is I am distributing this 3 into for the first number as well as the second number. See, 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 3 into 4 is 12. 6 plus 12, it is 18. The same answer we got. This is the distributive property for multiplication over addition. One more example. I'm going to write it as 5 into 3 plus 2. In general, it is 5 into 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 5s are 25. This is the answer. But if we are going to use the distributive property for multiplication over addition, and the rule which if we are going to use, see, 5 into 3 plus 2. So I have to distribute this 5 into for 3 as well as 2. That is 5 into 3 plus 5 into 2. 5 3s are 15 plus 5 2s are 10. 15 plus 10 is 25. The same answer we got. This is the distributive property for multiplication over addition. Next property is fifth one, identity. Identity for addition and multiplication. Identity for addition and multiplication is, the meaning of this is when we add any number to the any number, that is for example 0 plus when we add any number to 0, we get the same number. 35, we get the same number. When we multiply 0 into 35, we get 0. So 0 is the identity for addition and multiplication, that is 0. 0 is called the identity for addition and multiplication.